Stop wasting time searching for apps. Here is how to set up YouTube TV on your Apple TV in 3 simple steps. I'm your sleek guide, and let's get into it. Step 1. Installation. Grab your Apple TV remote and navigate to the App Store. We'll start by getting the official app onto your system. Once you're in the App Store, use the search bar to find YouTube TV. It's the official app from Google. Select it and click Get to begin the download. Step 2. Activation. This is where most people get stuck, but it's actually the fastest part of the process if you have your phone ready. Open the app and select Sign In. You'll see an activation code on your screen. Just head to tv.youtube.com/start on your mobile device or computer to link your account. Now for step 3, optimization. Don't just watch, make it yours. YouTube TV on Apple TV has some exclusive features you need to use. Head to your settings to customize your live guide. You can reorder channels to put your most watched networks at the top for instant access. And for sports fans, don't miss Multiview. It lets you watch up to 4 games simultaneously, perfect for those busy game days on the big screen. Remember, these steps apply to your own account and your own device only. For official support, visit support.google.com/YouTubeTV or call 8333892054. Avoid unofficial apps as they are security risks. So, that's it. Install from the App Store, link your account via mobile, and customize your guide for the best experience. Apple TV makes it effortless. If this tutorial helped you get up and running, hit that like button and subscribe to Sleek Guides for more high-value tech tutorials. I'll see you in the next one.